In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where Roblox instantly closes down after launching it. So to fix this issue, you first need to head over to your start menu and search for run, and then click on the run icon. From here, type in %, local app data, %, and then hit enter. And then from this list of folders, you need to scroll all the way down until you see Roblox. Once you've found the Roblox folder, we're going to right click on it and then just select the trash icon to delete it. And once you've deleted this folder, you then need to head over to your desktop, click on your recycle bin, and then make sure to empty your recycle bin and press yes. So that's the first solution, and you can now check to see if Roblox is working. If that's still not fixed it, what you can do instead is come back over to the start menu and this time search for disk cleanup and then just select it like so. Now from here, make sure you have your C drive selected, and then we're going to press clean up system files. You'll then be taken to this screen here, and all we simply need to do is press OK at the bottom and press delete files. And what this will do is help with storage space on your computer, so it will remove things like temporary files and stuff like that. So just wait for this process to finish, and once it's done, you can once again try opening the Roblox app. If that's still not working, the last thing you can do is head over to the start menu and search for settings, and then just click on the settings window. Click on apps from the left hand side and select installed apps. Then using the search box, just type in Roblox, and then we're going to select the 3 horizontal dots next to the Roblox player and select uninstall. Click the uninstall button, and once you've completely uninstalled Roblox, you can then head over to an internet browser to reinstall it, and that's another way you can also fix this issue. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.